Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Steam games with Google Pay. Is it possible or not? Let's find out. So first step you need to do is to open Steam, and let's suppose I want to buy this game. So click here, and once you are on the game you simply need to click on add to cart. So click on view my cart, and now I am in my cart. So let's suppose I want to buy these games. Then you need to click on continue to payment. So once you are on the payment method page, here you can see it accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover and JCB. So you simply need to click here, and here you can see PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover and JCB. So there is no Google Pay that you can use to pay directly to the Steam. So it is not possible currently at the time. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.